listening to NOAA's weather radio, KZZ-81, serving Chicago, the west and south suburbs, and northwest Indiana. The current time is 7:38 a.m. Central Standard Time.
Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for north central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana. For today and tonight, a brief mix of rain and snow is possible north of Interstate 88, particularly near the Wisconsin border, for a few hours this morning. There is a chance for thunderstorms late this morning and afternoon. A strong storm or two is possible along and south of United States Highway 24, which could produce wind gusts in excess of 50 miles per hour. Storms are also likely to produce locally heavy rainfall, which could result in minor ponding on area roadways. Minor ice jams, possible breakup, and resultant flooding may be exacerbated by moderate to heavy rainfall today. And now the extended outlook for the period Wednesday through Monday. The threat for minor ice jams and resultant flooding may increase through the week. Spotter information statement. Widespread spotter activation is not expected, but spotter activation is possible this afternoon, mainly south of Highway 24.
The current time is 7:36 a.m. Central Standard Time.
The following is a wind advisory from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Cook, DuPage, Grundy, Kane, Kankakee, Kindle, Lake and Wool, and Lake, Indiana. Timing, late morning through late afternoon. Winds, southwest increasing to 25 to nearly 40 miles per hour at times, with gusts of 50 to possibly close to 60 miles per hour possible. Wind will become west this afternoon. Impacts, strong winds will make for hazardous travel conditions, especially for high-profile vehicles. Winds could also cause minor damage. Any lightweight outdoor object should be secured or brought indoors. A wind advisory means that sustained winds of 30 to 39 miles per hour, or gusts between 45 and 57 miles per hour, are likely. Winds this strong can cause minor property damage, unless precautions are taken. Driving may be difficult, especially in high-profile vehicles. Motorists should be alert and use caution. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for north central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana. For today and tonight, southwest to west winds will gust over 50 miles per hour at times today. And now the extended outlook for the period Saturday through Thursday. No hazardous weather is expected at this time.
The current time is 7:34 a.m. Central Standard Time.
The following is a winter weather advisory from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Cook, DuPage, and Kane. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a winter weather advisory for snow, which is in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 9 a.m. Tuesday. Timing, light rain will become mixed with freezing rain, sleet, and snow late this evening, then become all snow during the early morning hours Tuesday. Snow accumulation, between 2 to 4 inches of snowfall is expected late tonight through Tuesday morning. Other impacts, strong northeasterly winds will gust between 25 to 35 miles per hour at times. The combination of snow and gusty winds will create significantly reduced visibilities to around 1/2 mile at times. This will cause dangerous travel conditions. A winter weather advisory means that periods of snow, sleet, or freezing rain will cause travel difficulties. Be prepared for slippery roads and limited visibilities, and use caution while driving.
The following is a winter storm warning from the National Weather Service for the following county: Lake, Illinois. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snow, which is in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 9 a.m. Tuesday. Timing, snow will begin this evening and continue through Tuesday morning. At the onset, precipitation may briefly start as a mix of rain or sleet and quickly transition to all snow.
Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for north central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana. For today and tonight, a period of heavy snow is expected later this evening through tonight for far northern Illinois, mainly along and north of Rockford to Waukegan line. South of this line to the Interstate 80 corridor in northern Illinois, a period of sleet, freezing rain, and snow is expected late this evening through tonight. Winds will become gusty from the northeast this evening through tonight, and will significantly reduce visibilities through the overnight period along and north of Interstate 80. And now the extended outlook for the period Tuesday through Sunday. A period of light will continue Tuesday into Tuesday evening. Then another period of light snowfall is expected Wednesday evening. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be necessary through tonight. Those no reports are appreciated.
The radio KZZ-81 Lockport. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. The station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Cook, Lake, DuPage, Will, Kane, Kendall, Kankakee and Grundy counties in Illinois, as well as Lake County in Indiana. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 3:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 103, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Bureau, Carroll, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Grundy, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Lake, Lee, Marshall, McHenry, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, Will and Winnebago, and the following counties in Indiana: Lake and Porter, and the following: Lake Michigan from Sheboygan to Port Washington, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake; Lake Michigan from Port Washington to North Point Light, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake; Lake Michigan from North Point Light to Wind Point, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake; Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake; Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois; Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois; Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois; Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana; Gary to Burns Harbor and Burns Harbor to Michigan City and Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake; Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City and 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake; and nearshore waters from Wind Point to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock, and Walworth. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. At 3 p.m. at O'Hare Airport.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 9:45 p.m. At 9:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Addison. Quarter-size hail.
Oh my God.
Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Evanston, Skokie, Des Plaines, Fort Wayne, Wheaton, Oak Park, Elmhurst, Lombard, Carroll Stream, Park Ridge, Addison, Glen Ellen, Maywood, Morton Grove, Villa Park, Franklin Park, Westchester, and Forest Park. This includes Lincoln Park Zoo, Loyola University, Triton College, Northeastern Illinois University, Soldier Field, University of Illinois, Chicago, Wrigley Field, Blue, Museum Campus, and Northerly Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.